Hi guys, welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel. In today's video, I will teach you how to change Wattpad profile pictures. Okay guys, but before we start, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel by pressing the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, let's start. All you have to do is go to Wattpad application in your mobile phone. Okay guys, here in Wattpad homepage, click the profile picture on the upper right side on your screen. And after that, click the gear icon on the upper right side on your screen. And okay guys, here in settings, in application settings, okay, click account settings. And now you can see the profile pictures, okay? To change the profile picture, so okay, you'll have to do is tap to change and select the photo on your galleries. Okay, I select this one photo to make a profile picture of my Wattpad account. And okay guys, that's it. My profile picture are changed. So okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new videos. Okay guys, thank you for watching.